Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing this wig. It's going to be a voiceover, and then towards the end I'll talk a little bit more about the wig. But if you would like to see how I got this wig on, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey babes, so I just wanted to do a quick review on this wig. Today I'm going to be talking about the Freetress Freedom Part lace front wig in the style number 204. I have her in the color number 2. She is gorgeous and she looks like I have clip ends. Okay. I love the texture of this hair. She's not too silky, not too yucky. She's like silky yucky but light yucky. I don't know, she's just right. Like she got the right amount of poof and it looks like my hair when it's straight. On me, I'm 5'3". I would say this is 30 inches. I just can't stop feeling, girl, I'm feeling myself with this wig, honey. She's not tangling up as much as I thought she would considering her length. What else did I want to say? I did shorten the parting on the wig because I felt like I made it too long with the concealer, so I went back in with like black eyeshadow. Yeah, she looks very natural, no shine. It's like a natural sheen to her. I got her at my local beauty supply store, guys. This one I did not buy online, but I'm sure you guys could probably get it for cheaper online. I paid 50 bucks for mine. I got 2 wigs actually, so I'll be doing another wig review. That's it, my loves. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.